Hi, my name is Ankit. I'm founder of Watma. We are trying to change the way solar is done in the world with AI native technologies. Quick question. Next slide, please. Quick question. Like, how many of us, like, we have all heard about solar? It's all been the buzzword. What percentage of roofs in the US have solar on them? How many of us think it's 20%? Anybody? 10%? 5%? Slightly. Only 3.6%. Like that's the level of penetration solar has. And this is the projection of where we're going to go. So even with optimistic growth in 25 years, we are only going to reach 21%. And actually, it's going to be 2055. Like that's how slow solar is growing. And something has to be done to definitely change this. Next slide, please. Because this is the cost of the current path that we are on. The climate impact would be 260 million tons of CO2 exposed into the atmosphere. 20. Oh, sorry. The display went, right? Okay. 25,000 deaths, $2 trillion worth of savings that are going to get missed, and less than almost like 500,000 of jobs are not going to get created. That's the impact of the current phase that we are on with solar. Next, please. And the reality is, yes, solar panels need to evolve, but that's not the problem statement. The problem is that the industry is fragmented. It's the work is done manually. There is a lot of rework that needs to be done. There are a lot of delays. And here is where the picture, I'm sure a lot of people would have seen these graphs, where the soft cost of solar, which is way more than actual hardware. Imagine like what you guys are buying or what homeowners are buying is not as expensive as it takes to get them to have this. Next slide, please. Yeah. And it's not that attempts have not been made. There have been attempts with technology, with softwares, where standardization has been tried with, and it has yielded results. For example, Solar App is a app made by a group of solar businesses, which automates permitting or makes permitting easier. 80% faster permitting is because of that. What Monk asked, we have been handling solar engineering for solar installers for the last 6 years, and we have done more than 100,000 projects. The number of projects that we guys do in a day is more than a lot of solar installers are able to do in a month. And that's again because of standardization of the entire process of solar engineering. And then there are platforms like Open Solar, which are for proposals, and they are really gaining traction because the way they are able to again make the process of giving a proposal to a homeowner and taking them on a journey to go solar easy. So there have been attempts and there have been successful attempts where if structured approach is taken to solar, then it solves the problems. Now, what we're talking about are the next frontier because still, as we saw in the beginning, it's just at 3.6%. And we are talking about AI native solutions. We are talking about AI digital workforce that can assist, automate, and also orchestrate the entire process for going solar. There is a future coming very soon where AI workers and humans are going to be working in tandem to make sure that the projects are faster, the returns from those projects are more structured. The investors are able to get their money in a little more predictable manner. And what when this digital workforce, when these AI agents workforce comes into the picture, for the existing businesses, it'll help them to scale because it'll gonna lower their operational costs. They'll be able to do more projects. They would have more clarity on their returns. And what also is interestingly it will do is, sorry, that a lot of businesses which are not in solar, they would be able to come into solar because the bar right now for getting into a solar business is a little too high because you need to understand sales, financing, permitting, procurement, all those things. So when there is an army of digital workers performing all those tasks, somebody with a crew and a truck would be able to have a solar business. And more the solar businesses are there, the adoption, we are expecting that the adoption for solar is going to increase. And to Can you go next, please? And to that point, we are creating a solar agent hub. It's essentially a place, a marketplace, a hub where solar businesses can come and rent these AI agents to perform a specific task. These are not generic tasks like sales, marketing, but are niche tasks that are to be done for solar, like financing, designing systems, permitting, operations. These are all the places where delays happen, rework happens, and solar businesses have to spend their profits. And once this agent hub uh, uh, solar ins- when the solar installers start to come to this platform, what happens is that they are able to have all these agents which are going to perform those tasks automatically. Next, please. So we have been doing this for a while now, almost a year. We started before that. We have 3 agents live. This is WattPay. WattPay is a agent for solar financiers. It helps them with their paperwork for approving milestone payments. It has already hit $1 million ARR. The other is a Survey Copilot. This is a agent for field operations. Whenever a surveyor goes to survey a property for solar, the Copilot makes sure that the survey is done properly and there are lesser truck rolls. It's at 130K ARR. And the next that we are building right now is a permitting agent, which is currently in pilot, and we are expecting this to be one of the hottest one that we put out there. So we have been heads down validating and building these agents, and this is our undue advantage. We have been in the solar market for the last 6 years. We already have our go-to-market in place. We work with 400 solar installers. We are The reason all these installers work with us is because we have standardized the process of solar engineering, and that's why their savings are 30% as compared to them by them doing those tasks by themselves. And our turnaround times are great. So our go-to-market is sorted. We have a proprietary database of more than 300,000 projects that we have built over the last 6 years, on which our language models and our vision models are trained. And before that, that's all right. And we now are raising funds to go from 2 agents to 20 agents and increase our MRR to $300,000 in the next 18 months. And if we are able to do that, if we are able to build this agent hub where we have all these different agents performing those tasks, uh, and the growth rate that we had, if we are able to accelerate that we are able to achieve those targets decade earlier, then the benefits are immense. Like imagine like that would mean like 6.6 billion trees planted. That's like 7% of the Amazon rainforest. That's like 87 million cars taken off the road. That's 138 million cars converted from gasoline to EVs. So that's the impact that we're talking about. It's not only about business or um, agents or AI and all those things. If the future comes where human and AI workers can start to work together and are able to change the solar industry, then that's almost going to be equivalent to like planting 10% of the Amazon rainforest. So yeah, that's what we are doing. And thank you for your time, everyone. Appreciate it.